can't stay. To all of my curvy fashion forward dolls and my fashion forward dudes, how y'all doing? Welcome to another KoKo's Couture Closet. I am KoKo. If you are new here, hello loves. I am so happy that you decided to stop by. Please stick around, like, comment, and subscribe, and become one of KoKo's curvy fashion forward dolls or dudes. And if you are already a subscriber, mwah, hello loves. I've missed you guys. So whether you're a new subscriber or an old subscriber, go ahead and hit that bell so that when I upload a new video,
you can be the first to know, so you can be the first to watch. Yes, honey, yes.
So today's video is actually a product review slash demonstration slash first impressions. So as you guys know, I've recently become Ulta obsessed, and so I took a trip to Ulta yet again. And during this trip, I was on a mission, a very specific mission, and it was for BH Cosmetics product. I had already gotten a couple of palettes of the eyeshadow from my little sister because she doesn't use them, and I was looking to try the products out. I like their eyeshadows. I just think that the holes are a little bit small. I prefer the larger ones, but BH Cosmetics does a lot of collabs, and their collab with ItsMyRayeRaye is so cute, you guys. It's rose gold and pink, and it just spoke to my internal diva, sexy, just extraness. And so I went out and I bought the whole collection. And in addition to buying the whole collection, I also bought some foundation and some cream concealer from BH Cosmetics as well, just because I wanted to do a whole face. And so this is the final look, and I'll also insert pictures at the end. So this is it. And so I'm going to show you guys now what all comes in her collection. So the first thing that comes in her collection is this really nice 9-piece brush set. And this is the box. And look at the packaging, y'all. Even the packaging. Like, if you watch ItsMyRayeRaye, you know that this is very much her. Everything that's gone into this packaging. The decor, the rose gold, the extra but classy, just very much her. And so this is the 9-piece brush set. It came with a powder brush, a dual brush and bronzer brush, a tapered contour brush, a highlighter brush, a dual blending and highlighting brush, a fluffy blending brush, a smudge shadow brush, a large shadow brush, and a smudge liner brush. So this is the packaging, and then you open it, and the brushes come in a little package like this. Now, in my defense, I have already used them. I told you I did this face, and so they've been used. And the brushes have a dark mauve handle that says ItsMyRayeRaye on one side. I'll get up and show you if you can see that. It says ItsMyRayeRaye on one side, and then it says BH Cosmetics on the other. And this is brush number 2, the dual blending and bronzing brush. How cute is this, you guys, with the rose gold tip and then the numbering and the labeling being in rose gold? How cute is that? Now, I've used these brushes. These brushes are very soft. I didn't lose any bristles in the process. The only thing I will say is that the brushes were like a little too soft for me to use for like my eyeshadow, like the smaller ones. And so I just used mainly the big face brushes. And I used maybe 1 or 2 of the small brushes. So her collection also came. Now this is what really made me want the collection. And it's her palette. And this is what it looks like. Again, we have the rose gold writing and the rose gold panel here with the rose gold and the dark blush or dark mauve colors around the parameter. I like this design too. There are R's, in case you can't see that. There are R's all around the design. And it's funny because I didn't even know that until I held it up. So this comes with 21 color eyeshadows, highlight, and contour palette. So you get 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 eyeshadows, and you get 2, 4, 6 highlighters and contours. I really like these eyeshadows, you guys. Like, I'm here for them. I really like them. I'm going to swatch a couple of them for you just to show you what they look like. So she also has some really cool names for them. And this is what it looks like, you guys. This is what the palette looks like. And these are the eyeshadows, and these are the highlighters and contour and everything. And so, first impressions, I loved it. Very little fallout. There was some fallout, but very little. And I really liked it, you guys. The only thing is, yet again, that I said before, I prefer bigger holes in my palettes. And so these are the colors that I swatched. Ooh, that's really pretty. So I wanted to swatch one of the contour colors called Brownie Bite. And this is dark, guys. Like, look how dark that is. That is crazy. Like, when I used this, it clearly was the perfect contour color for me, because when I tell you it just popped when I originally did it. It definitely popped. So I'm going to read a couple of the names because they're cute. Nudist, Pancake, Mousse, Control Freak, Black Beauty. And it's funny because Black Beauty is actually blue. We have Connie, Friday, Sunset, Midnight, Spice, Angel, Allison, Tiffany, Fairy Tale, and Passion. Almost make me wish I had a friend who did makeup and made makeup so that she can name some stuff in her palette after me. So also, let me get this off my hands, guys. Be right back. So the eyeshadow palette, I think, retailed at about $20 to $23, but it's totally worth it and more. I would have paid at max $30 for it, definitely. The brushes were like $19, $20. Definitely a good purchase, you guys. Definitely a good purchase. So her collab is actually, and I should have said, I don't know if I said this in the beginning, but it's with BH Cosmetics. And so not only did she have those items I showed you, but she also had a liquid lipstick, and it is matte. It's called Rose Ray. And again, we have the same kind of packaging here with the dark blush, dark mauve, and the rose gold accent. Very pretty, very pretty. If somebody's getting married this summer, this will make a very pretty color for a wedding, as far as putting the rose gold and the dark mauve together. Very pretty. So this is what her matte lipstick looks like. And on one side you have ItsMyRayeRaye, and on the other side you have BH Cosmetics. I'm not really a matte lipstick kind of girl, but I bought it because I wanted the whole collection. And I wanted to support, you know, see a sister doing it, support her and her, you know, her movement. And so the coloring on this box is actually light pink, and then it has the dark mauve as the color for the print, and then the rose gold in the corner like the other ones do. And so I really like this, so I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you guys really quick. And I'm actually wearing the liquid lipstick. And I like it, but I like thick lipstick. I mean, I like thick lip gloss. I like the Victoria's Secrets, the Bath and Body Works lip glosses, anything with like aloe or shea butter in it, and I like a little shimmer in my, you know. And I told you guys already that I'm not really a fan of mattes, but I really like this color, like, and it's even pretty on chocolate skin. And so, and I was a little concerned about that, it would be too bright, so, but I really like it. So while that's drying, so I can show you the swatches, I also picked up some BH Cosmetics foundation and some BH Cosmetics concealer, because like I said, I wanted to try to get as many products from them as possible as part of this It's My ReRaye demonstration. And so I did find my color, and the color that I'm comfortable with, and it is the color 229 Deep Beige. And so this is what it looks like. And it says that it is, how much product you get in here? You get 1 fluid ounce. And so that's not bad, because I think I only paid like $8 for this. This foundation is very light coverage. I had to literally pile this on to get a full coverage. I'm a full coverage girl. I like a full coverage B, or at least a medium coverage that can build into a full coverage. I dang near probably use half of this bottle trying to get full coverage out of it. So I like their eyeshadows and everything, but I'm going to have to pass on the foundation. I need something with more of a coverage, and this is called BH Liquid Foundation Naturally Flawless. So I also got some concealer from them, BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Total Coverage Concealer. And I got this in the color number 117. This is what that looks like. Now here's the problem, guys. This is too light. Like, I have this on now, and I was able to fix it with some finishing powder, but this is really, really light, you guys. Really, really light. And it's like it's really creamy to the point you got to be careful not to use too much. I wish it would have come with one of those applicators like LA Girls does, or one of the pull-out applicators. So you can clearly tell which one is the gloss and which one is the matte. Right now, I'm wearing them both. And I really like the color. It goes well with my feng shui that I'm trying to get. So that's it, you guys. That's what I got from BH Cosmetics.
I can't
enjoyed the It's My ReRaye demonstration. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, bring your mama, bring your auntie, bring your sister, bring your cousin, bring your gay uncle, baby, because we got room. And there is always room for curves in KoKo's Couture Closet. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.